Hey y'all, it is Melissa Peoples with Admin Gurus. So today I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to set up an automatic reply. Now, I know most of us know how to do this, but I'm going to show you a special trick that will help you to make sure that emails are getting taken care of while you're out and you have less to do when you get back from vacation. Alrighty, so let's get started. All right, so we've gone to File. Now we're going to click on Automatic Replies. Now, this is where most of us stop, right? Most of us have said automatic reply. We put the date and the time, all that good stuff. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set this up, and let's just say for the entire week, but we're going to skip down here to rules. Haha, this is the fun stuff. All right, so you're going to click on Add Rule. And for this very specific thing, I'm going to say emails that are sent directly to me. And in the subject line, if it says meeting request. So now I have some tools to help me make sure that information is flowing while I'm out and I'm not a stopgap. So for example, if someone needs a meeting request, that's in the subject line, I might want it to get forwarded to the person who's covering me. Now I can even reply with a template that basically says, all right, so I'm gonna hit save and close. Awesome. So now when someone sends me an email that says meeting request, it's going to get forwarded to Nicholas. I already have a template, and then I can say, okay. It is literally that simple. So let's go back to the rules again, and let's create a new rule. Copy to me. I want to move it to a new folder. So I'm going to click on folder. I'm going to click on the account. And I'm going to click on new folder. And this one, I'm going to say vacation FYI. Okay, so now if I am CC'd on an email, it's going to move it to my vacation FYI folder. So I know that these typically, when I'm CC'd on something, personally, it's normally an FYI. It's not an urgent ask. This really does make a big difference for when you come back to hundreds of emails you have less to get through. This is one of my favorite ways to help manage the process of email overload when I get back into the office. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.